Well, hello Divi Nation, and welcome to this next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away brand new free Divi layout packs straight from our design team to you. And this week we have for you a brand new bike repair layout pack we think you'll love. This handy bike repair layout pack is just what you need to get a fresh, modern bike shop website up and running without any problems, and it is really clean. It comes with a shop page with professional promos and product layouts. The services page comes with a layout for maintenance packages and custom icons for featured services, plus so much more. All right, now join me in this next part of the video where I show you how you can add this new bike repair layout pack on your own website. All right, now before you can start adding pre-made layouts using the Divi Builder, you must first authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription, which you can do by going to Divi Theme Options. Then click the Updates tab. There you can enter your username and API key, and then click Save Changes. And once done, you'll have access to all of our pre-made layouts from within the Divi Builder without any problems. Now you're ready to start creating your new pages and then adding those corresponding pre-made layouts to each of those pages. Go ahead and start by going to Pages, Add New. Give your page a title and then click to use the Divi Builder. Select the option Choose a Pre-made Layout. And then from the Load from Library pop-up, scroll and find the new Bike Repair Layout Pack and select it. On the right, you'll see a preview of all of the different layouts included in the pack. Go ahead and select the one that you want, and then click Use this layout. Once the layout has been loaded to the page, don't forget to publish it. And you'll want to continue this same process to create the rest of your pages and then the rest of those corresponding pre-made layouts included in the pack on those pages. Once you're done, you're ready to go ahead and create a new primary menu for your website. To do that, go over to your WordPress dashboard and then go to Appearance, Menus. Go ahead and give your new menu a name and then click Create Menu. On the left, you'll see a list of all the pages you've created. Go ahead and select all of those and add them to the menu. Under the menu structure area, you can organize your menu items however you like. And when you're ready, don't forget to set your display location as primary menu and then click Save Menu. And for the last step, you'll want to create a static home page for your website. To do that, go over to Settings, Reading. Under your homepage displays, select a static page, and then for the home page, go ahead and select that home page with the corresponding home page pre-made layout, and then click Save Changes. Now your new website is up and running with the new Divi Bike Repair Layout Pack. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We sure do hope that you love the new layout pack. And don't forget to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook. And don't forget to click to get those notifications. That way we can let you know every single time we have something new for you. Thanks again for watching. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.